In the second part of the 8th chapter in SS 2, that's the resource wealth of India, we are going to understand the details of the importance of transportation as the resource wealth of a nation. The efficiency of transportation is one of the important characteristics of the development of a nation. So we must rely on the varied means of transportation in accordance with the physical characteristics of each region. The mode of transportation of India can be divided into four. One, road transportation. Second, water. Third, rail. And the fourth is air transportation. Let's take the first point, that is road transportation. It is very most important means to link the rural and urban centers scattered throughout the country. The road system of India can be divided into four: national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Watch the screen. These are the characteristics of the different kinds of roads. And one of the most important road system is the Golden Quadrangle Superhighway, which connects four important metropolitan cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. The National Highway Authority of India is responsible for these roads. The second mode of transportation, that's railways. Indian Railway is the largest network of Asia. The Indian Railways is also the largest public sector undertaking in India. This rail transport is equally important for cargo as well as passenger transport. The rail transport in India was started first in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane along 34 kilometers. For administrative convenience, the Indian Railway is divided into 16 zones. Kerala belongs to the southern zone. Its head office is at Chennai. Watch the screen again, and this is the classification based on the gauge width of railways. Then third mode of transportation, that's water transportation. It is considered as the most convenient means of transportation for cargo on a large scale. And what are the factors that resulted into that water transportation as most convenient? Watch the screen and find the reasons of the water transportation as the convenient means to transportation of cargoes. The water transportation can generally be classified into two: inland water transport and marine water transport. The water bodies like rivers, lakes and canals are used for inland water transport, and the area of sea belongs to the India is used for marine transportation. And these are the water bodies largely used for inland water transport. The details are given there. Find the river and its tributaries. And in 1983, Inland Water Authority was constituted, and it declared 5 important waterways as national waterways. This is the table that gives the details of national waterways. And these are the major ports in India. And based on this hints, you try to write the names of the ports in corresponding location in the given map. The fourth mode of transportation is air transport. It is controlled by Airport Authority of India. There are 126 plus airports, including 11 international airports under this establishment. There are two kinds of air transport system, that is Air India and Indian Airlines, based on domestic and international services. A number of private companies also operate flight services in India, and the international airport in Cochin, that is the first private airport in India.